Hello everyone. So today is my staff meal. I'm just try to make simmered head of sea bean. Sea bean. This where Japanese people call Thai, and another name red snapper. Red snapper. But maybe English may meaning is sea bean in this fish. So this one is very cheap, 400 yen. I just got from professional market. So I'm gonna use today long leek and long leek leaf, green side, and taro potato, erigi mushroom, kombu, 2 slices of ginger, and secret seasoning, kind of like this, hot chili pepper, and I use soy sauce and mirin, and my favorite, shiro dashi. Also, I have to make soy sauce flavored sweet sauce, sweet broth. So have to need brown sugar. So I'm using this one called san onto. It's brown sugar in Japan. So this one is you can get easy at the regular market. Okay, let's start cooking. Seabream head. So many scales here took off, and some red part broad, so took off. It's good. And we are Japanese people call this kind of cooking style is named Tai no kabuto ni. So kabuto means Japanese samurai warrior battle helmet. So you know the movie of Star Wars? So Darth Vader weared on head black helmet, right? It's an image from samurai warrior battle helmet in Japan. So I'm going to show you. Looks like samurai warrior battle helmet, right? That's why we are Japanese people call it kabuto. Samurai warrior helmet, battle helmet. That's why looks like it. We call kabuto ni. Kabuto means helmet. So this is a natural sea bean and not a cultured fish. This is a natural. Kombu in, then turn over. Switch. High flame. So high flame. 2 sliced ginger root. 1 hot chili pepper, long leek, green, this, and just waiting to boiling. Okay, now boiling now. So I'm gonna make simmered boiling base. This one is brown sugar, like this. Soy sauce. This one is soy sauce. Mirin. This one is mirin. And shiro dashi, white soy sauce. This one is shirodashi, white soy sauce. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna make sure the taste a little bit in this color. This base is boiling down, so more rich flavor coming after maybe 15 minutes. So in this time, start boiling the bone side like this. And big head. Okay, like this. Looks so gorgeous. Big fish. Japanese people call Tai. Tai no kabuto ni. It's a very traditional, famous Japanese style boiling fish. And taro, potato. Yes. And eringi mushroom. I like texture of eringi mushroom. Okay, right here. Okay, so have to need to aku the surface area, cleaning up. Looks getting better. So now boiling down and more rich flavor sauce coming. I'm just waiting on the timing of making good sauce, good flavor from this head and bone. How about that? After 20 minutes later, wow, getting better. I want more. A little bit try taste. Good flavor. I need more boiled down. Okay. Already past 25 minutes right now. So sauce is tastes like a teriyaki sauce. Fish based teriyaki sauce, this kind. But, it's burning so fast in this sauce. That's why you better careful in this time. Still high flame, just boiling down. Almost finished, but I'm just making good sauce. This is a simmered head of seabream. Simmered head of seabream. So I'm using a technique, simmered. Takes about half an hour. I made it. So let's try to eat. But this portion is too big. About 3-4 people can eat. Seabream head. Seabream. Japanese people call Tai. Another name is red snapper. Red snapper. So seabream is a very lucky fish in Japan. How about that? So very difficult to eat because head. But head part is so tasty. Okay, いただきます。Good flavor. Yeah. Tastes like a teriyaki sauce. Delicious. About eyeball side. So this one is very tasty. Oh, so good. With sweet taste, with soy sauce and brown sugar. Yeah, so good. Yam potato. And sauce. Soft and smooth. So good. And any sugar? I love this kind of texture. So good. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.